Welcome, boaters. Today, we're tackling a common and concerning issue that many boat owners encounter: grinding noises when shifting gears on your boat. Understanding the root cause of these sounds is the crucial first step to ensuring a smooth, safe, and enjoyable experience out on the water. Grinding sounds are a clear indicator of a problem within your boat's intricate propulsion system, specifically pointing to issues related to the gear engagement mechanism. This system is vital for transferring power from your engine to the propeller, allowing you to move forward or backward. One primary culprit behind these unsettling grinding noises can be low or contaminated gear lube. When your gear lube is insufficient or compromised, it fails to provide the essential lubrication needed between the rapidly moving parts within your gear case. This critical lack of proper lubrication leads to significantly increased friction and accelerated wear between the gears and other components. It's this excessive friction and metal-on-metal contact that manifests as that unpleasant, often alarming, grinding noise you hear when shifting. Another very common cause of grinding is a misadjusted shift cable. If this cable isn't precisely calibrated, it can prevent the gears from fully engaging or disengaging smoothly, leading to resistance and grinding during the shift. When the shift cable isn't properly calibrated, the dog clutch, which is responsible for locking gears together, might not align correctly. This misalignment causes it to grind harshly as it attempts to mesh with the corresponding gear, rather than sliding in cleanly. Worn dog clutches and gears are also significant contributors to grinding. Over time, the surfaces of these components can become damaged, chipped, or rounded, meaning they can no longer engage cleanly and efficiently. These critical components naturally wear down over time, especially under conditions of heavy use, frequent shifting, or if regular maintenance, such as gear lube changes, has been neglected. This wear can be exacerbated by improper shifting techniques. To begin diagnosing the problem, first check your gear lube. Ensure it's at the correct level according to your boat's specifications and, crucially, that it's free from any milky appearance, which is a telltale sign of water intrusion and contamination. Next, thoroughly inspect the shift cable itself for any signs of fraying, corrosion, or stiffness. Any of these conditions can impede its smooth operation and prevent proper gear engagement, leading to grinding. You can also test the shift mechanism by hand, if accessible, to ensure it moves freely and fully engages both forward and reverse gears without excessive force or binding. This helps isolate whether the issue is mechanical or cable-related. If your gear lube is found to be low or contaminated, the immediate solution is to drain the old fluid completely and replace it with fresh, marine-grade gear oil. This ensures optimal lubrication and protection for your gears. For a misadjusted shift cable, it's essential to follow your engine's specific service manual to correctly adjust the cable tension and throw. Each engine model may have slightly different specifications for this critical adjustment. This adjustment often involves fine-tuning the barrel adjusters located on the shift cable until the gears engage smoothly and without any resistance or grinding sensation. Precision is key here for optimal performance. If your inspection reveals that the dog clutch or gears are significantly worn or damaged, replacement is typically the only effective and lasting solution to eliminate the grinding noise and restore proper function. This type of repair is generally more involved and often requires specialized tools and a certain level of expertise. Therefore, it's highly advisable to consider consulting a professional marine mechanic for this complex task. Regular preventative maintenance, including annual gear lube changes and thorough shift cable inspections, can significantly extend the life of your propulsion components and prevent many common grinding issues from ever occurring. Additionally, a comprehensive engine tune-up ensures that all systems are working in perfect harmony, which in turn reduces unnecessary stress and strain on your boat's delicate shifting mechanism, contributing to smoother operation. Remember, addressing these issues promptly not only prevents further, potentially more costly, damage to your boat's vital components, but also ensures that your boating adventures remain enjoyable, safe, and free from unexpected mechanical problems. For all your boat parts and essential maintenance needs, including high-quality gear lube, shift cables, and replacement parts, visit allboatsupplies.com. We offer a wide range of top-tier products to keep your vessel in prime condition. And as a special thank you, don't forget to use the exclusive coupon code WELCOME5 at checkout to receive an extra 5% off your entire order. We wish you many happy and smooth boating experiences.